Today, we will talk about how to clean ATV. Let's have a look at the details. ATVs are meant to get dirty. They're built to be driven through dusty hills, muddy bogs, and sandy dunes. But just because ATVs are meant to get dirty doesn't mean they shouldn't be cleaned. Cleaning your ATV regularly is an important part of basic maintenance. Mud and grime trap moisture against metal, causing rust, and dirt buildup in sensitive parts can reduce your ATV's performance over the long term. You can keep your ATV running at peak performance for a long time by cleaning it on a regular basis. The first step is preparing for the cleaning. Allow your engine and exhaust to cool. You shouldn't start washing your ATV right after finishing a ride. Give your ATV some time to cool off before spraying it with water. Choose an open washing location that can get messy. ATVs accumulate a lot of dirt and mud, and washing off all that muck is a very messy process. So, before starting to wash your ATV, select a wide open location for the cleaning that you don't mind getting dirty and will be easy to clean. Knock large chunks of mud and dirt off with a rubber mallet. Before you bring water into action, knock any big chunks of mud or dirt off your ATV's exterior with a rubber mallet. By removing this outer layer, you'll be able to speed up the overall washing process. Cover sensitive parts. You should do your best to keep water off sensitive parts of your ATV, like the rear opening of the muffler and the ignition switch. Cover the rear opening of the muffler with a plastic bag, and the keyhole with tape. The second step is washing your ATV's exterior. Pre-soak your ATV's exterior with water to loosen mud and grime. Using a garden hose, spray your ATV with a flood of cold water. This will help wash off easy to remove dirt on the surface and begin to loosen up caked on grime. Repeat this step a few times to reach every nook and cranny with water. Wipe down your ATV with water and detergent. Nothing will get your ATV cleaner than a little soap and elbow grease. Mix a mild automotive detergent and water in a bucket, and use a sponge to wipe oily and grimy buildup off your ATV's surface. The goal of this step is to clean off any areas the pressure washing missed. Rinse off suds. Once you're done with the scrubbing and brushing, use a garden hose to rinse off your ATV. Then, walk around your ATV one more time to make sure you didn't miss any spots. Dry your ATV with a lint-free towel and/or air. Once you've made your ATV squeaky clean, use a lint-free towel or towels to wipe off excess water. To dry places you can't reach with a towel, you can try using an air compressor or even a leaf blower. Drying your ATV as soon as possible after washing will prevent the appearance of ugly water spots and help prevent damaging rust and corrosion. The third step is making your ATV look and run like new. Why stop at just washing your ATV's exterior? For a deeper clean, start by degreasing areas of your ATV caked with oily residues, like the swing arm and chain guards. Just apply a little degreaser to these areas and rinse. Rust is the scourge of all ATV owners. You can guard your ATV against this threat by occasionally spraying metal parts and surfaces with a rust inhibitor. By cleaning your air filter regularly, you will help prevent engine wear and tear by keeping dirt particles from seeping into your engine. You can use liquid dish soap or an air filter cleaning solution to wash your foam filter. Treat chrome and aluminum parts with polish. You can use a chrome/aluminum polish to shine up chrome and coated aluminum parts on your ATV. To wash coated aluminum, however, you'll want to use just a spray polish. Finally, after your ATV is dry, you can spray plastic parts with plastic polish. This will help minimize scuffs on plastic and give your ATV a nice shine. Be sure to follow the specific directions on the bottle you use.